Did you know that a clean home can be your secret weapon in the competitive real estate market? It's true. Buyers often make snap judgments based on what they see. A tidy, sparkling space not only enhances visual appeal, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere that invites potential buyers to imagine their lives within those walls. With Tidytex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service in San Antonio, we understand that first impressions matter. Our professional cleaning services ensure that homes shine before open houses and buyer visits, ultimately leading to faster sales. Realtors, here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit, bright space highlights the home's best features and makes it feel more inviting. Our flexibility with quick turnarounds means we can meet your needs, whether it's last-minute cleaning or preparing for a big showing. Don't let cleanliness become an obstacle in closing deals. Partner with Tidytex, where we take pride in helping you succeed in this dynamic market. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.